tuned.
Hello?
What's going on, big brother?
Just trying to catch a fish.
You ain't caught one?
Nah. It's just been pretty rough on the kayak for sure, but you have those days. And then I did miss one, pretty decent one. I didn't even know that. I felt it hit and then it was slack, and then I was just waiting just a second, started running, and I really couldn't get a good hook set on it. So that was no good. Of course, I forgot my anchor. Well, I didn't forget it. I just didn't bring it. I didn't think I would need it. But it definitely needed one today. That maybe should be on my list to bring every time, is the anchor. But I thought I'd come over to this lake and try it out, and never caught a fish on here. Never. Had a couple of bites and some blow-ups on a frog. This might be a better frog lake than anything because it's so shallow and grassy and pads are everywhere. But it's one of those frustrating things about fishing, especially in a kayak when that wind starts blowing. You're at the mercy of that wind. But I'll probably just finish out, see if this wind will die down to maybe get around or something, a little bit. I'm pretty good out of the wind right here, but I'm in about 7 foot of water. It goes to like 2 right here, so I'll just see what I can do. But hopefully you'll keep watching the channel, and hopefully I can get some fish before I get back, but I doubt it. Might just ease on back and call it a day. But hopefully then the next one will be the next time be a little bit better. So it was a nice day, just too windy. So maybe we might just camp out right here. But thanks for watching, and go ahead and click that subscribe button and like this video.